This is Psalm 29b in the Trinity Psalter Hymnal. Now unto Jehovah, ye sons of the mighty. Now unto Jehovah, ye sons of the mighty, all glory and strength and dominion accord. Ascribe to him glory and render him honor. In beauty of holiness worship the Lord. The voice of Jehovah, the God of all glory, rolls over the waters, the thunders awake. The voice of Jehovah, majestic and mighty, is heard, and the cedars of Lebanon break. His voice makes the mountains and deserts to tremble, while beasts are affrighted, the forests laid bare. And through all creation, his wonderful temple, all things he has fashioned, his glory declare. The Lord ruled in might at the flood of great waters, a king whose dominion is never to cease. The Lord will give blessing and strength to his people. The Lord all his people will comfort with